Welcome to my channel SS Medical Tips. What is meditation and how to get started? Meditation is a technique that's been practiced for thousands of years, and it's becoming increasingly popular in today's fast-paced world. In this video, we'll explain what meditation is, the benefits of meditation, and some tips for getting started with your own meditation practice. What is meditation? Meditation is a mental practice that involves focusing your attention on a specific object, thought, or activity to achieve a state of calm and clarity. There are many different types of meditation, but most involve sitting quietly in a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and breathing deeply. Benefits of meditation. Meditation has been shown to have many benefits for both the mind and body, including reducing stress and anxiety. Meditation can help calm the mind and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Improving concentration and focus. Regular meditation practice can help improve your ability to concentrate and focus. Increasing feelings of well-being. Meditation can help improve your overall mood and feelings of well-being. Lowering blood pressure. Some studies have shown that meditation can help lower blood pressure. Boosting the immune system. Meditation has been shown to have a positive effect on the immune system, which can help keep you healthy. How to get started with meditation. If you're new to meditation, it can be challenging to get started. Here are some tips to help you get started with your own meditation practice. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. 2. Choose a time. Choose a time of day when you can practice meditation consistently, whether it's first thing in the morning or before bed. 3. Start with short sessions. Start with short sessions of just a few minutes and gradually increase the length of your sessions as you become more comfortable. 4. Focus on your breath. Focus your attention on your breath and try to let go of any distracting thoughts or feelings. 5. Be patient. Remember that meditation takes practice, so be patient and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. 6. Use guided meditations. If you're having trouble getting started, consider using guided meditations, which can help you focus your attention and provide helpful guidance. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool for improving your mental and physical health. By finding a quiet and comfortable space, choosing a time, starting with short sessions, focusing on your breath, being patient, and using guided meditations, you can start your own meditation practice and begin to experience the many benefits of this ancient practice. Thanks for watching.